What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another freaking video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you, yes I said it, you make an extra income. And guys, today we're going to be talking about making these results happen and how you can literally get that started now. I don't know if you know, but having a business and an extra income is very important. But one of the problems that I see a lot of people having, especially individuals that are DMing me on Discord, is that people are not seeing results. And now, let me tell you something. When it comes to seeing results, when you try to start an eBay or a Mercari, I want you to stay focused on being consistent. One of the biggest things that I used to struggle with is working my butt off and not seeing the results right away, which deterred me from continuing. And that happens with a lot of individuals. Now, I'm not gonna lie and say,
hey, without results, I just keep working and busting my butt no matter what because I'm just such a great entrepreneur.
That's a lie, okay? It gets hard because we really want to be successful, so we bust our butts off, and every single day we expect to at least see something, right? But that's not how it works. I want you to understand we need to have the McDonald's effect, which that is, to me, is something I just made up, I ain't even gonna lie. But to me, it's having consistency. When I have a late night and I'm out with my friends and we might be going to a party or we might go to a networking event, I know for a fact what I'm going to get if I drop by at 12 a.m. from McDonald's. I'm getting me some semi-hot fries, and I'm gonna get me a burger, or I'm gonna get me some chicken nuggets. Like, I know what I'm gonna get, and I know exactly how them chicken nuggets is gonna taste. I'm gonna get sweet and sour sauce, and I'm gonna get a high C with no ice. And I know exactly what to expect. So I know what to expect because McDonald's has consistently been consistent, right? Now, I ain't gonna lie, if I was to ask for a milkshake, I probably would say on the intercom, hey, do you guys have milkshakes still? But other than milkshakes, it's all consistency, and we have to wake up and consistently rinse and repeat. That is what this business is when it comes to selling apps. But we have a service where we actually list products for you. We actually don't take any of the profits. You take all of the profits. We list all the products for you. You don't need any products. They all come from my store. And honestly, people are making money and making a killing either with the product box or with Mercari automation. Mercari automation is something that a lot of people have been making a lot of money with this month. Now, I want to show you guys exactly how you can take a product box and make a profit, and how you can also use an automated service, okay? Now, of course, automated just means that for a whole week, you choose a budget. Prime example, the lowest budget on IamHustlersMindset.com for Mercari automation is $250. You pay $250, and with that money, we double it, okay? So that would be $500. 250 plus 250 equals 500, okay? So we double it. We're gonna list $500 worth of products on your Mercari. Now, we're gonna do that within a 7-day period, okay? Now, as we're listing these products that you don't even have, we are maximizing the search engine optimization. We're making sure that we are revising listings each day, and we are not taking none of your profit. Every single dime that you make, you get. But that's not even the best part. The next part is this: we ship the products for you. So when the products sell, you don't gotta worry about shipping them. We ship them. This service is one of the best services for people that have jobs, people that are not really trying to actually go out their way to have to ship products and list products every single day. We help you start that consistency. And that is called Mercari Automation, and it's on IamHustlersMindset.com. And throughout the week, I'm going to continue to bring you guys results from Mercari so you guys can see exactly how you can grow your Mercari easily, okay? Now, let's say that you want to actually do the experience and you want to make sure that you are actually learning how to do it. That's why you watch me, and that's why you get a product box. Now, I get a lot of questions via DM on, hey, Brandon, I want to get the product box, or I ordered the product box. How should I list them? What should I list them at? I'm here to show you guys what exactly sold from this product box. So guys, we are going to actually pull up Mercari I'm gonna actually put the products on the screen as I go through them so that you guys can actually follow along with me. Now, when we're talking about a product box is completely separate from Mercari Automation. Mercari Automation is where the products come with the automation service already. You don't even need to get a box. We actually hold the products for you. We're the ones that provide the products and you're the one that just gets the profits, right? But let's say you're somebody that wants to get the products, okay? You want the products on hand. You don't want to drop shit. You don't want to sit there and have nobody listing for you. You don't want to have no workers. You want to do it yourself. That's when you would get the product box, okay? Now you can also get the product box at IamHustlersMindset.com. But it's not about, hey, Brandon, I really want to make money and I want to make money fast, so what should I do? No, I want you to choose what you want to do. You can get people to work for you. We will work for you for $250 and literally in a week list $500 worth of products for you, and whenever they sell, we ship them out for you, right? Or you can go ahead and get a product box. A product box is a box of wholesale products. It comes with 42 products and it's only $150, which means each product costs you approximately $3.50. Really $3.57 each product, okay? That means for these headphones, that means for this out-of-box case, that means for this charger, that means for this Apple Watch charger, and etc., right? All of that stuff only costs you $3.50. Now, what can you do with this? This product box, you can sell them on. You can sell these products on Mercari, eBay, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, pop-up shops, flea markets, wherever you want, right? So this gives you a little bit more flexibility and gets you to the point where you don't have to sell on Mercari. But I am going to use a supporter's results. This supporter got the box last week and they now are in the green, which means they already made their money back from the box. That is one of the most important things. You're spending $150 on this box. You're spending $3.50 on each product in this box. Now, how can you double that? How can you make this money work, right? So I'm going to show you exactly what this customer listed on Mercari, so what sold, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you can repeat this, okay? Because listen, this person's no better than you, right? So let's jump into it. So first we're going to do an Apple MagSafe charger. This is what they have it listed as, Apple MagSafe charger. You can list these products as Apple if you would like. Most of these products, honestly, are going to be completely similar. I have no products that are going to get you returns. I have no products that are going to break. All of the products that we have are quality, okay? This person sold this Apple MagSafe charger for $18, okay? $18. And they did not give free shipping. The shipping is $4.30, so they didn't lose no money on shipping. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put $18 in the bucket, all right? So we got $18, all right? Next is an Apple iPhone 13 Pro Clear MagSafe. So the MagSafe cases, as you guys know, they come in the box. Who doesn't want a MagSafe Clear case? These MagSafe Clear cases, people really just want them for the look. Honestly, I don't really like the look, but a lot of people just want them for the look. And the holidays are coming up, so I'm sure people are gonna continue to go, right? Then we have the Apple MagSafe battery pack. I should have got the products out before I even made the video, but here's the battery pack. I do know that the battery pack sold for $33.44. This is money, okay? And remind you, they got it for $3.50, okay? Now, at any point in time, you can order products on theconnectwireless.com, literally for wholesale, and you can order them individually. You don't have to sit there and order in bulk as far as with the product box, but the product box is gonna give you more bang for your buck, I promise you. So now we're gonna add $33.44 to the bucket. Then we have an iPhone charging cord. So these iPhone charging cords bundled with adapters are going to sell like hotcakes. This person put these chargers together. iPhone charger cable cord bundle, they sold it for $13 and still charged for shipping and got it sold, y'all, and that is awesome. That is exactly what you want. You want to be able to bundle these products because it's going to make you more money, I'm telling you. All right, then we got the iPhone charger 2-pack. Okay, this looks like the 6-foot cables. Now we have 10-foot cables and we have 6-foot cables. No matter what cables you're selling, guys, you're going to be able to make a profit. Now, this person sold these iPhone 6-foot cables for $8 for 2, and they charge $4.30 for delivery. So we're gonna add that to the bucket. Now we have also the Apple iPhone chargers in the box. Is the same chargers in a box, guys. And this is in a box with the Apple logo. And this literally sells, so they sold it for $17, but they did include shipping. We'll put that in the bucket. Like, guys, this stuff is awesome. Then we got the iPhone charger bundle. So we got the adapters, so the Type-C adapters with, again, the Type-C to Lightning cable cords. And they made $12.22, and they gave free shipping. I see that they brought the price down for $15. Again, it's still a win-win, all right? It's still a win-win because you're bundling. And you gotta understand, when you bundle, you start to make money. Now, don't get it twisted. When you start your Mercari, you wanna price things super low because you wanna start to get some momentum on your platform. You wanna start getting some ratings. But you gotta also understand, with some products, you're gonna have a lower profit margin than other products. But it's all about understanding how to maximize your pricing, how to make sure that you're getting the maximum amount of profit, and also making sure that you're consistently listing, because that is what's going to generate you profit. The goal isn't to get rich from Mercari. The goal is to wake up every single morning and be like, dang, I just made an extra 50. I just made an extra 200. I just made an extra 500. That's the goal, okay? Now, we got the fast charging iPhone. So this is basically just the person giving them a charger, even though it looks like it's multiple chargers. They told me it was only one, and they sold it for $15 plus $7.40 delivery fee. That's crazy. And they sold 2 of those, okay? Now, we put those in a bucket. So then they sold another one of the magnetic wireless charging, the MagSafe chargers for $17 with free shipping. Alright, guys. And then they sold another 6-foot charging cord for $12 plus $4.30 delivery fee. And then they have the wireless charging pad, which is the $7. So they charge $7 for that, and they did a $7.99 delivery fee. And one of the newest additions, which is the DualShock 4 wireless controller. It's a PS4 controller that we include in the product box as well that you can get. Sold for $15, guys, with a $4.99 delivery fee. And then last but not least, you have the Samsung S6 headphones. And they sold for $9 for free shipping. So, guys, it's amazing what you can do with the product box. To sum it all up, it totals up to $208.44, and the person only paid $150 for it. So if we really want to talk about the profit, they made $58.44 so far, but that's not even all of their box. It was just them gaining traction. I'm telling you right now, if you're somebody watching my videos and you don't have any products to sell, guys, you have to start getting prepared, because we're going into next year as business owners, solidified resellers, people that are making money other than our jobs, guys. You can get it done. I promise you, you can get it done. Nobody can stop you. The sky is the limit. So I want you guys to continue to embrace the fact that you are capable of making these successes happen. Send me all of your results. Send me all of your results. I want you guys to be successful. I want to celebrate with you. Join the Discord. The link is below. Also, check out the product box on IamHustlersMindset.com. And also, if you want us to work and literally list on your Mercari for you, make sure that you guys check out Mercari Automation. Before you even start the service, we have a Zoom call to make sure we figure out what your goal is, so that you can actually meet the person that's going to be working for you. You're literally hiring somebody to work for you and make you money, guys. And that is just something that I am great and fortunate that I'm able to do. Make sure you guys are making this money work for you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.